In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the GoDaddy website. Navigating a website in a language you're comfortable with makes the whole experience smoother and more intuitive. GoDaddy, being a global platform, offers the flexibility to change the website's language to suit your needs. Whether you're managing your domains, hosting, or any other services GoDaddy offers, doing it in your language can make all the difference. So let's dive into how you can adjust the language settings on the GoDaddy website. First things first, we'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. Start by locating and clicking on the Sign In button. It's typically found in the top right corner of the GoDaddy homepage. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to enter your account details. Go ahead and type in your username and password in the appropriate fields. Double check that you've entered everything correctly to avoid any login issues. Remember, keeping your login details secure and confidential is vital, so make sure you're logging in from a secure device. After entering your login details, click on the Sign In button to access your account. This action will grant you access to your GoDaddy account dashboard, which houses all the tools and settings for managing your online presence through GoDaddy. Next, we're going to navigate to a somewhat hidden part of the website where you can change your language preference. Look for your profile photo, which is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you haven't set up a profile photo, you might see a generic avatar or icon representing your account instead. Once you've clicked on your profile photo, look for the option labeled shopgodaddy.com and click on it. This will take you to a part of the GoDaddy website where you can browse services and products. However, our goal here is to find the language settings, so we'll need to do a little more navigation. After arriving at the shopgodaddy.com section, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. It's a bit of a journey, but the footer of the website is where many essential links and settings, including language preferences, are tucked away. When you reach the bottom, you'll see a drop-down menu that likely displays the country and language currently set for the website. The exact look of this drop-down can vary based on GoDaddy's design updates, but it should be fairly easy to spot. This menu allows you to adjust both the country setting and the language in which the website is displayed. Click on this country and language drop-down menu to reveal the list of languages and countries you can switch to. Take a moment to browse through this list until you find your preferred language, then simply select it to apply the change. Once you've selected your language, the page should refresh automatically, and voila, the GoDaddy website will now display content in the language you've chosen. This change will make navigating and managing your services on GoDaddy a much more personalized and comfortable experience. Changing the language on GoDaddy's website is just one of the many ways the platform aims to be user-friendly and accessible to a global audience. Remember, you can always change the language back or to another one following the same steps if your preferences or needs change. And there you have it. You now know how to change the language setting on the GoDaddy website. This simple action can significantly enhance your user experience by allowing you to interact with the site in the language you're most comfortable with. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, whether you're setting up a new website, managing an existing one, or just exploring the services GoDaddy offers. Doing so in your language can help you make the most out of your digital journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guides like this one. Happy web building!